The effect of physical activity on older adults. As we get older, some people become more active while others become less active. In today's day, it is harder to get the older population to be more active. While at the same time, this is the most active the older population has ever been. You can see in the diagram that in each age group, 45 to 64 years, 65 to 74 years, 75 to 84 years, and 85 and older have all been more active as the years have gone on. You can also notice that between the years of 65 and up, there has been a decrease in each group, which is understandable because no matter what, at some point your body will decline and you will not be able to be as active as you want to be. There are two types of theories that promote optimal aging. The first theory is selection, optimization, and compensation theory, which is also known as SOC theory. The second theory is socio-emotional selectivity theory. The main purpose of the selection, optimization, and compensation theory is how one person is going to pursue their goals and be successful in doing so. The first part is selection. This is where you pick out which goal means the most to you and that you want to accomplish the most. The second part, optimization, is where you decide if you want to put the time and effort in that is needed in order to accomplish this goal. Lastly is compensation, which is where you decide if you would do anything no matter what gets in your way to accomplish this goal. The diagram compares young adults and older adults and what means more to them. Older adults care more about optimization and compensation, while young adults care more about selection and then optimization. Older adults are going to put more effort in and care about how their goal is accomplished compared to younger adults. The socio-emotional selectivity theory's purpose is to be aware of people's emotions. It is for administrators and other people who are in charge to note that sometimes the social aspect of activities and programs can and may be more important than the activity itself. It is also a way for older adults to deal with the emotions and how they handle them. This theory is another way the older population deals with their goals and problems. In this diagram, you notice that the average person finds their emotional satisfaction more important than their knowledge. This takes place once they hit middle age and increases through old age. Their pursuit of knowledge starts to decrease at middle age and then plateaus at old age. There are so many different ways older adults can be physically active. Many of these activities are even more beneficial when you start them at a younger age. For instance, weightlifting is better when you start it at a younger age because it helps with muscle loss and even helps you live independently for a longer period of time. There are so many other activities to participate in as well. You have walking, biking, water aerobics, and even balance activities. While these are just a few, there's many more that you can partake in. There are many other benefits that come out of participating in physical activities other than a decrease in muscle loss and independent living. Some include increased lifespan, having a healthier body mass and composition, lower rates of high blood pressure, stroke, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, coronary heart disease, and colon and breast cancer. Physical activity is something everyone should partake in.
Hope when the moment comes, you'll say